Most people think the only way to make serious money in 2026 is with a big office, a big team, or a risky online hustle. But what if I told you that right now? Ordinary people in the US are quietly building income streams from their garage using small machines powered by AI. And most people have no idea this is even happening. These aren't tech geniuses or Silicon Valley insiders. These are regular people who simply saw the shift early. And the shift is happening faster than anyone expected. If you blink, you miss it. Welcome to Smart Business Hub, where we break down smart, realistic business ideas that actually make sense in the real world. Today, I want to open your eyes to something that can completely change how you think about small businesses in 2026. AI is no longer just software on a screen. It's now built into affordable machines that can work for you, even while you sleep. And the craziest part is, many of these machines cost less than a used car, but they're producing income like a full-time job. Before we go deeper, if you like learning about real business ideas that don't feel fake or overhyped, consider subscribing to Smart Business Hub. Not because you have to, but because this channel is built for people who want to think smarter about money and stay ahead of trends, instead of chasing them late. Now imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see that overnight your small machine completed dozens of tasks automatically. Orders were processed, products were prepared, or services were delivered with almost no human effort. This is not a future dream. This is already happening across the US in small workshops, basements, and garages. AI-powered machines are quietly replacing manual labor, reducing mistakes, and saving time in ways that used to be impossible for small business owners. One powerful example is AI-assisted laser cutting and engraving machines. A few years ago, these were expensive and complex. Today, smart versions use AI software to optimize designs, reduce material waste, and auto-adjust settings. People are using them to create custom signs, home decor, branded products, and even personalized corporate gifts. Businesses order in bulk, and the machine handles precision work faster than any human could. The owner focuses on marketing and customer relationships instead of standing next to the machine all day. Another area where AI is quietly taking over is automated packaging and labeling machines. These machines are becoming extremely popular with small food brands, skincare startups, and subscription box businesses. AI helps detect errors, align labels perfectly, and adjust for different product sizes without stopping production. What used to require multiple workers can now be done by one person with a smart machine and a few hours of supervision. That difference alone can turn a low-profit idea into a high-margin business. What makes these businesses so powerful isn't just the machine. It's the combination of automation and demand. In the US, customers expect fast delivery, consistent quality, and customization. AI helps small machines deliver all three. That's why small operations are now competing with larger companies and winning in niche markets. There's also a psychological shift happening. People trust machines more than ever for precision work. When AI handles measurements, cuts, or quality checks, customers feel confident they'll get the same result every time. That trust turns first-time buyers into repeat customers, and repeat customers are where real money is made. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need to invent something new. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't even need to fully understand how AI works. You only need to understand how to use it as a tool. Just like people didn't need to understand electricity to open factories 100 years ago. Today's opportunity belongs to those who adopt AI-enabled machines early, not those who overthink it. As we move forward, these machines are becoming smaller, cheaper, and smarter. That's why 2026 is such a critical year. Early adopters are locking in customers, building brand trust, and learning systems that latecomers will struggle to catch up with. This is the quiet advantage that rarely gets talked about.
Now let's talk about why these AI-powered machine businesses are exploding right now, especially in the US. and why the timing matters more than people realize. Over the past few years, consumer behavior quietly changed. People want customized products, faster turnaround, and consistent quality, but they also want to support smaller brands instead of faceless corporations. That gap is exactly where smart machine businesses are winning. Take an AI-powered CNC and small fabrication machines as an example. These machines are no longer limited to big factories. Smart versions can autocorrect design errors, predict tool wear, and optimize cutting paths. Small business owners are using them to produce custom furniture parts, metal signs, brackets, and specialty components for local contractors. Instead of competing on price with massive factories, they compete on speed, customization, and local service. A contractor doesn't want to wait 3 weeks for a part when someone down the road can deliver it in 2 days. Another fast-growing area is AI-enabled 3D printing machines. In the US, demand for custom parts, prototypes, and replacement components is massive. What makes AI important here is that it helps detect printing failures early, adjusts temperatures automatically, and improves print quality without constant supervision. People are running small 3D print farms from spare rooms, producing medical accessories, home improvement parts, phone mounts, and tools for niche industries. Many of these products are boring, but boring products solve real problems, and real problems always pay. Then there's AI-assisted food preparation and processing machines. This is one of the most underestimated opportunities. Smart dough mixers, portioning machines, and packaging units are helping small food brands scale without losing consistency. A local snack brand can now produce thousands of units with the same quality every single time. AI tracks measurements, timing, and even predicts maintenance issues before something breaks. This reduces waste, saves money, and keeps customers happy. In food businesses, consistency builds trust, and trust builds repeat orders. What's interesting is how these machines change the role of the owner. Instead of being stuck doing physical work all day, owners become system managers. They focus on branding, customer outreach, and partnerships while the machine handles repetitive tasks. This is why many people say it feels like the business works for them, not the other way around. That shift alone is life-changing. You might be wondering if this only works in big cities. The answer is no. In fact, smaller towns often have less competition. Local businesses still need signs, packaging, parts, and customized products. When you're the only smart machine operator in a 30 or 50-mile radius, you become the go-to solution. That local advantage is extremely powerful and very hard to copy. Another reason these businesses are working so well is because AI reduces the learning curve. In the past, machines required years of experience. Today, smart interfaces guide users step by step, suggest settings, and even warn when something might go wrong. This means beginners can start faster and make fewer mistakes. The barrier that once kept people out is slowly disappearing. There's also a hidden financial benefit. Banks and lenders are more willing to support businesses that use modern equipment and automation. AI-powered machines look professional, scalable, and future-ready on paper. That makes it easier to get funding, partnerships, or bulk contracts compared to a purely manual operation. But here's an important reality check. These machines don't magically make money on their own. Success comes from pairing the right machine with the right market. People who fail usually buy a machine first and then look for customers. People who win do the opposite. They find demand, then choose the machine that serves it best. That mindset difference is huge. Now let's talk about how people who actually succeed with an AI-powered machine. Businesses think differently from everyone else. The biggest difference is mindset. Successful owners don't see the machine as the business. They see it as a tool inside a system. The real business is solving a problem faster, cheaper, or better than others. The machine just happens to be the engine that makes that possible. One smart approach many owners take is starting small, but focused. Instead of trying to serve everyone, they pick one clear use case. For example, instead of offering custom products, they might focus only on real estate signs, or only on custom packaging for local food brands, or only on replacement parts for a specific industry. This focus makes marketing easier, pricing clearer, and customers more confident. AI machines shine when they repeat similar tasks at high quality, and niche markets love consistency. Another thing smart owners do is build relationships, not just sales. In the US, long-term money often comes from repeat clients. A local contractor, restaurant, or small brand that orders every month is worth far more than dozens of one-time customers. AI machines make it easier to keep these clients happy because quality stays the same every time. When customers trust your output, they stop shopping around and stay loyal. There's also a big lesson around pricing. Many beginners underprice because they compare themselves to mass-produced products online. That's a mistake. You're not competing with cheap overseas factories. You're competing on speed, customization, and reliability. Customers are willing to pay more when they get exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. AI helps you deliver that promise without burning yourself out. Another powerful strategy is stacking services. For example, someone with an AI-powered engraving or printing machine might also offer design help, rush orders, or small batch testing. These add-ons cost very little time but increase profit significantly. Over time, the business becomes less about the machine and more about the complete solution you provide. It's also important to talk about fear because that's what stops most people. It's fear of technology, fear of wasting money, fear of failing. But the truth is, risk exists whether you act or not. The bigger risk in 2026 is staying stuck while automation moves forward without you. The people winning right now aren't fearless. They're just willing to start before they feel fully ready. One underrated advantage of these businesses is lifestyle flexibility. Many owners choose their hours, work locally, and avoid long commutes. Some scale up, others keep it intentionally small but profitable. AI-powered machines give you options, and having options is real freedom. As we wrap this up, I want you to think about this question. If machines are getting smarter every year and demand for fast, customized work keeps growing, where do you want to be in 2 years? Watching from the sidelines, or quietly building something that works for you even when you're not there? If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI-powered business idea surprised you the most, or which one you'd actually consider starting. Your comments help this channel grow and help others learn from real perspectives. And if you know someone who's stuck in a job they hate or looking for a realistic business idea, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need to see right now. This is Smart Business Hub, and my goal is to help you think smarter, not harder, about business in a changing world. In the next video, we'll go even deeper into practical steps, real costs, and how beginners can avoid expensive mistakes when starting a machine-based business. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Till then, stay curious, stay focused, and remember, the smartest businesses are often the ones hiding in plain sight.